So here's the thing. This was never actually supposed to happen. I wish that I could say that living on the road was something that I had always dreamed about, but it hasn't. To be honest with you, before I actually did leave home, I wasn't even sure that I really wanted to. You see, most of my traveling experience has been with friends or family, so the prospect of venturing out on my own across a border and thousands of miles from home just seemed impossible. I mean, at this point, I had never traveled solo, so I was scared. But I was fortunate enough to have a travel buddy, my Red Fox Lab, Archie. He helped pave the way for some of the best experiences we had, including visiting some old friends.
Thought I'd share this sunset with you.
Throughout my time on the road, I learned to see the beauty in the simplicity. Something as simple as a sunset or a watchtower in the forest is enough to just make you stop and stare. Even though our life was simple and we had a good routine going, we were still alone. Isolated. Out of contact with most of the outside world. And naturally, as things would go, we had a lot of issues.
It's been a heck of a day. Sunday, I got food poisoning.
Well, I just had to cancel my hip camp because of flooding.
I don't know how the hell this truck stayed up on four wheels. Slept like shit last night, not gonna lie to you. I don't know what the issue was, I just could not fall asleep. Holy shit.
But through all of it, we stayed persistent, stayed the course, and followed through on something that I never even thought was possible. Of course, naturally, I miss my friends and family, and I wanted to share these experiences with them. But the reality is, I just needed to get away. I needed to start over. This past year has been one that I will never forget. What started in a personal hellscape was capped in the most epic way possible. I've started new traditions and kept up some old ones. I've found some of the most amazing hidden gems this country has to offer. This project is known as the Big Reset. Every aspect of my life reset at the beginning of 2022. I use this project as a way to not only reset what was going on in my personal life, but also as a reset for what I've been doing as a video professional. I've been unhappy with the direction of my work for a while now, and I wanted and needed that to change. This film is a culmination of the last 2 years of my life, preparing for and actually committing to living on the road. What started in the farm fields of central Pennsylvania ended up being one of the greatest experiences I am likely ever going to have. I'm going to take you back through how I got here, what I did, and why I did it. Welcome to the Big Reset.